Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm sorry I haven't been updating as much. I have been painting, but just getting around to like editing and getting everything up has been kind of tough. I had a couple paintings from late December, and this is one of them that have been sitting on my phone, and I did two actually this day, and I posted one as a really quick one on TikTok. And the one that I posted on TikTok came out with these like awesome fractals, and from that painting I've been doing a lot of experiments to try to like recreate the whole fractal dendrite thing. So the thing is, I'm trying to remember what I actually used here. The only thing I know for sure is that this right here is glitter, like just straight up glitter with Liquitex pouring medium, and I think the other two colors are mixed Media Girl paints mixed with a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. My base coat was an old, like I had some old Artist Loft paint, Artist Loft fluid acrylic, and I had some Amsterdam paint, and I had mixed them both together, and they were really lumpy, which is why I had to like kind of pick it all out. But I just don't know what combination of what created the fractals in the other painting, so this one didn't do it as much, but it still came out pretty cool. I need to learn to not re-blow dry over areas. And that's what I did here. So eventually I go over it again with white, and because I didn't like how that one corner turned out. And I did resin over this piece in the end. It definitely needs a second coat of resin, but yeah. So anyway, I will hopefully be posting a little bit more regularly. I know I say that all the time, but I am still painting. I got some really fun tools off of Etsy from John Franklin and another artist that his name is escaping me at the moment, but I will, you know, I'll have all those details and stuff, but you know, I want to play with those, and so those are going to be coming up, and then of course the experiments with the mixed Meteor Girl paints to hopefully get those fractals, because I really want to recreate that and show that to you. But anyway, I will talk to you guys soon, and thanks for watching, thanks for your continued support, and someday I'll be posting regularly, and maybe I'll get up to that, you know, 1,000 subscribers, but in the meantime, for my 300 plus that are hanging in there, I really appreciate it. So, I hope you guys are well. Talk to you soon.